Hi, welcome to Evolvent Design. My name's Andrew. What?
Hey Andrew, this is Stan. Welcome to Bar Z Industrial.
Thanks for inviting me over.
Yeah,
Are you rolling?
I'm rolling right now.
Me too. Hey guys, welcome to Bar Z. My name's Stan. Today I'm with
Andrew.
I knew that. From Evolvent Design. And thanks for coming out. I know it's a long trip for you.
Yeah, glad to do it.
I know you've got a class coming up
Gear School.
before the bash. We're going to drop a link below to his video on that. You still got room in that?
I do have a little bit of room, and we love the bash guys, so they make great attendees, and it marries up with your event nicely.
Right, and what day is it?
June 23rd, Thursday.
Nice. So the events here at the Bash are Friday, Saturday, so it's pretty seamless. If you want to get out to Andrew's place and learn how to cut gears, he's going to teach you how to do it on a manual machine. He's going
Manual mill,
He's going to teach you how to do it on a high-dollar fouter.
hobby machine, and we have a new bevel gear generator. 3 processes.
I did see that on Instagram, I think.
It's crazy cool.
Yep. And he did not say hobby machine. He said hobbing machine.
It's how all gears are made.
I know. Well, not all.
Most.
Okay. All right, so if you're interested in that, go check them out. Moving on, what we're going to talk about today is this little mini mill that Precision Matthews sent out to us. It's Matt's always really good to us every year. He gave us a lathe one year to give away.
Yes.
We actually opened that up to the internet, if you recall, and we gave that away to anyone that wanted to enter on the internet. And it ended up in Rhode Island, I think.
I know. Are you giving this one away this year too?
Not on the internet.
Not on the internet. You got to be here,
You got to be here.
and you got to take it with you when you leave.
Pack it in. You win it. Pack it out. Get it out of here. I want it gone. I've already thrown all the crating away. I've thrown all the boxes away. I've already completely assembled it. I'm not taking it apart again.
It's getting slinged and stuck in a truck.
That's right. Or in a
Like-
Prius or whatever you
You can get here.
get here. Now I'm going to tell you what we're going to do. These are going to be attendance only tickets, but this milling machine is going to have its own raffle drum. One pull takes all the marbles. So if you want to focus your attention on just the mill, say, hey man, Stan, I'm not interested in all that other junk you got in the main raffle. I don't want the TIG welder. I don't want an oven. I don't want any of the other stuff on the table. All I'm coming for is the mill. Well, you can focus your tickets on just the mill.
So when you buy your ticket and you get them when you come here, your raffle tickets, this is separate from that, or you can just say I want to allocate them to that.
No, you put them in a separate drum. There'll be a drum next to this.
You can put them in the mill drum.
We're going to have a mill drum. We're going to have a TIG 200 drum.
Yeah,
And we're going to have a Hot Shot Pro. Have you seen the Hot Shot Pro?
I have seen it. It's got the new controller on it.
Yeah, I know. We're going to talk. We'll talk about that in another video. But yeah, it's got the LCD touchscreen. Anyways, if you wanted to focus your attention on the mill, you can easily do that.
Yeah.
So, and Matt's always so good to us. This is a PM 728 VT, which is the high accuracy, and this is the one that all the guys do the CNC conversions on.
Put a servo motor on.
Servo
X
motors
and
on
Y.
X, Y, and Z, and on the column too. So they'll put it on all 3. They will, and Matt sells a ball screw kit for these. Bolts right in, no messing around, no machining required. You just put the ball screws in, drop your servos on, and go.
And this is no slow pony either. This was going 4,300 RPM earlier.
It's 4,200 RPM.
Yeah.
Max speed, and it's a smooth little machine, quiet.
Very quiet.
Yep. So real nice little milling machine, and again, thanks to Precision Matthews for allowing us to give this away. I mean,
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Oh, it's great. Now, this exact machine, you can get $100 off of it. I'm going to drop a link below to Precision Matthews if you want to go check out his website. This machine, $100 off. Your discount code is BARZ22. Actually, I'm going to throw a QR code right up there, and for those of you that don't know what QR codes are, enable QR codes on the phone and the camera on your telephone. Hold your camera up to the screen and it'll hook it and take you right to Precision Matthews. And you can do it right off of your screen on your PC. So anyways, discount code BARZ22 Get you $100 off this machine with or without a DRO. You can get these with a DRO as well.
Cool.
Factory installed.
Very nice.
I've got some other stuff we're going to show you. He sent some little accessories, a lathe chuck and a couple of keyless chucks for the R8s. So we're going to show you those, super high quality, and then we got some other stuff to show you today too. This is kind of a raffle update, but I did want to give an honorable mention to Matt over Precision Matthews. What a great guy and what a great company to deal with. Let's get to those little parts.
Let's go do it. Let's go do it.
Okay, well here's some of the other stuff that Matt sent. This is a 6-jaw, or excuse me, it's a 6-inch 3-jaw scrolling adjustable back chuck, and he also sent a this is a D14 mount for it, beautifully machined and ground. Very nice unit, and those will go as a set. These are going in the red raffle. Too big and too heavy to ship, but it's a complete kit, so this will be attendance only. But what he did also send, and I will open this up to the blue raffle, these are from Precision Matthews, and these are a really nice R8 keyless chuck. And like I said before, you cannot tell the difference between an Albrecht and that. I know you can't feel it here watching this video, you have to take my word for it, but that thing is smooth. What a beautiful piece. We've got 3 of those to give away. And every time a sponsor contacts me and does something for the bash, I always ask for a discount code. So if you want to get your hands on one of these are 10% off with the discount code BARZ22DC, as in drill chuck. All right. If you want to get your hands on one of these, he's got these in 6 and 8 inch. He's got these in a D1 4 mount, and he's got these in a D1 5 mount. And you can, it's your choice between 6 and 8 inch chucks. You'll 5% off any of these chucks. Discount code is BARZ22LC. All right, I'll throw those in the description below. But again, thank you, Matt, out at Precision Matthews, for your wonderful donation and your constant support in these hard times. All right, let's move on to something else. Okay, next up, we're going to...
What's in that box?
I'm not going to show you.
You're going to show me this one first?
No?
This one first.
Maybe.
Okay.
We're going to talk first.
Let's talk about it.
Okay. Okay, next up, we're going to talk about the competitions. You know, we talked a little bit about James Kilroy's competition in the last video, and this time we're going to talk about the 4-jaw. You ever competed on that?
I did not compete on it, but I saw some famous 4-jaw competitions here in the past for sure.
There's been some pretty epic moments.
Very, very much so.
What's in that box right there is the grand prize for the winner.
Wow.
And I'm going to show you what's in that, but first we're going to show you what James Clow sent over.
Well, that ought to be a nice piece.
Yeah, well, you guys probably already saw the video of what James did for the 4-jaw machine. As you may or may not know, we've had the 4-jaw machine powder coated in a nice hunter green hammer tone metallic. And I bought all new hardware for it. It's putting together with. We're putting it together with all stainless steel button head Allen screws.
Very nice.
It'll look good. And so James decided to step it up a little bit. He is going to be your host this year. Keith Finner is not going to be here.
Ah, that's too bad.
Yeah, but as returning champion, James Clow did agree to host the event for us. So we've got some maybe laser cut foam there. Want to take a guess of what's in there?
Well, that's the trophy belt.
It is the trophy belt.
Yep.
So he engraved his name on that, and that's going to go to whoever the winner is.
Next winner.
The next winner of the 4-jaw comp. And then we've got a Pelican case in here that he's personalized, and that is a beautiful piece.
That is nice.
It is nice.
4-jaw king. Look at that.
Clow 42. 4-jaw king on the front there. So this is gonna, I believe this is gonna stay with the 4-jaw machine. And he's made a pair of indicators, a pair of articulating arms, and a pair of mag bases, all laser engraved. And so all things being equal, both of our contestants are using the same equipment. It's all Schar's equipment. These are Schar's arms. He's got them loose right now. There we go. So these are the fine adjust, look like they're the fine adjust top. They're a top adjust.
That's nice. That's a very nice piece.
Yep. And he's got Clow 42 laser engraved on the side of that mag. On the side it says right there, everyone's watching.
Yeah.
Don't panic. Use a bigger hammer. You can probably do it. So very nice. And thank you, James, for the effort you put into that. And this is a great piece that goes with the Forge On machine.
There's one more saying right here too that's pretty neat.
What does it say? Overkill is underrated. That is pretty good.
Yeah.
I like that one.
Yeah.
So thanks, James, for doing that. And everyone that comes to the bash has got a shot at the Forge On Championship. And most of the people already know about what that's all about. But details the day of the event. You can come in and sign up for that the day you arrive. No need to sign up ahead of time. But what a great case. Those won't get damaged. Nice.
That's very nice.
You want to? Have you ever got to see the belt? You saw the.
I have seen the belt several times. Yeah.
Have you ever put it on?
No.
You want to put it on?
No.
Go ahead.
No.
You can.
I don't deserve it.
Okay.
I don't swing a four jaw.
The one time it came around when Bruce Whitham was here, we both put it on and photographed each other with it. And
Okay.
it's like wearing your dad's hat or something.
Okay. Just don't want to be a poser because
We're not going to.
it's not what I do for in my machine shop.
I know.
But it's a neat skill, and it's amazing what these guys can do in the competition. And then, the trades are super important.
Yeah, they are.
And
This is an important skill.
This is a great skill to have.
Indeed.
So I applaud the competition and all that this does for the trade. Everybody that's got a good trade has a place to come here to your bash stand. That's what's so awesome about it.
Well, what we try to do is,
Jack of all trades too.
indeed, we're saluting them this
Yeah.
year. We need to get these kids interested in the trades and keep them interested.
Yes.
When they see that they can take a hunk of metal and make something from nothing,
Once they know how you make it,
well,
they see how the current world is made. The first thought should be, I can do it better,
I can do that. I can make that.
and I can up you one.
Now, he has polished these things
Huh.
and then put them in the shrink wrap. Maybe we better not take them out of there. There's some things that come to the bash that are completely irreplaceable. That's
This
one.
is one
That's
of them.
one of
Yeah.
them.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Literally, you can't put a price on some of this stuff. So thanks for doing a good job on that, James.
Yeah.
Look how nice that looks. What a beauty. I'll let it catch the light a little bit for you there. Yep, very nice. I think we should probably put that together the day of the event.
Right.
I don't want to even put my handprints on it.
No dust. No fingerprints till the day of.
You want to see what's in that box, don't
I'm
you?
itching to see what's in that box.
Because he
I don't
really,
know if it'll make me a four jaw guy, but it.
there's
Seeing who the sponsor is.
well, this is in cooperation with Aaron out at Always Sunny in the Shop. If you don't subscribe to him, go out and give him a sub. The prize comes to us from NSK North America, and there's very few people that know what's in there. And now you're going to be one of them.
Well, everybody is here very shortly.
Yeah, this is going to be public knowledge here pretty quick.
There's a certificate of conformance. That's always a good sign.
I hereby certify that the supplies above are in conformance with all the applicable requirements for shipment. I further certify that the supplies are of the quality specified in all respects in conformance with the contract requirements, including specifications and/or drawings, preservation, packing, packaging, and marking requirements. Physical item identification, and in the quantity shown below.
It's in there well.
Is it?
It's one of
You want me to
those
hold
boxes.
the, want me to hold
Boxes
the
in a box.
box in a box? Okay,
Well, it may also be.
I'll hold this.
There we go.
Okay, I'll get rid of that. Let me get rid of this.
Evolution, you know me and evolving.
I know.
I like it. Wow.
What they sent was the Evolution, which is a benchtop hand grinder.
Yeah, that's really nice stuff.
Yeah, these are, trust me when I tell you, these put a Dremel to shame.
Yeah. It's like what every Dremel would hope to be.
Right.
Oh, look at that. There it is.
So it's a speedometer cable type drive, I believe. No, it's electric.
No, it's electric.
It's electric all the way
Yeah.
through. And it's constant torque and constant speed. As soon as you bear down on your work,
It brings it back up to speed.
it reacts. And like I say, these things put a Dremel to shame. We're gonna bring the camera in a little bit closer and let you take a good look at this. It's got a, maybe we'll put it together real quick.
Yeah.
Heck, maybe we'll plug it in and run it.
That'd be great.
Well, you know, I got to give all this stuff away, so I got to have a little bit of fun with it before I let it go.
Look at that.
Okay, let's get this put together and we will bring you right back. Okay, so here's the prize for the four-jaw competition. This is the Emax Evolution by NSK North America. It's got a toolkit. It's got a very nice little handheld unit. And this is not a speedometer drive. This is all an electronic drive. And your speed control is set by this knob right here. And we can take it all the way up. That's in thousands of RPM. So yes, you're reading that right. That's 40,000 RPM. I'm gonna press the blue button and start her up. And I don't even know whether you can hear that, but that is 40K. And I'm gonna put a load on here, and I want you to watch the load indicator there. And I'll do it till my fingers burn, but yeah, I'm putting a load on that thing, so it has a constant torque type system in it that's going to attempt to compensate for your for the load, which is pretty neat. And to change your speed, you just move that up and down. It is reversible, and it has a fixed speed. If you want to select that option, you are going to get the full book with it. But I believe this puts a Dremel to absolute shame. This has two different collets. There is a slightly larger collet in the kit right there. Turn that thing off. It's got a holder for the side of the unit. You can put your holder on either side. Drop your tool in there just to store it. Or it's got the benchtop. This is kind of a rubber coated plastic.
Yeah, look at that underside. It's got a place to store some of those tools, I guess, once you get going.
Possibly.
Even the collet. Right
Yeah, you
there.
put your collet there. That's pretty neat. So what do you think of that about that for a prize, Andrew?
I love that as a prize. That's a fine piece of equipment, and that's a lot of speed to do some really fine grinding.
I think it is. When you get into the smaller grinding wheels, you need these kind of speeds.
Yeah.
You know, you need these kind of RPMs. So 40K, that's an incredible RPM. So special thanks to NSK North America for sending over the great prize. Thanks to Aaron over at Always Sunny in the Shop for the hookup and getting us introduced to the NSK folks. And special thanks to James Clow for getting the four-jaw machine all dialed in. But we got you a nice prize. So if you guys are interested in this, you better brush up on your four-jaw skills.
Yeah.
I think Andrew is even interested in it. You better get on it
Yeah, I'm gonna get the four jaw out.
and start playing with it. You better get some practice in. All right, guys. Well, that's your prize for the four-jaw comp. We've got more competitions and events coming up, and stay tuned for more videos. let's move on. We got more stuff to look at. Okay, next up, we've got something that came from Mr. David Best, and the name of his company is Best Services. Clever name.
Yeah.
Appropriate. He sends us this letter. It says, "Hi Stan, please accept the enclosed books for your Bash 2022 raffle. I elected to spend my COVID lockdown months writing and publishing this book on indexable tooling for my lathe. My aim is to help others who already own or are buying a medium-sized lathe and making informed decisions on indexable tooling and insert selection. Sorry I can't join you this year in person, but I'll be attending it via the live feed." Now he has put together a pretty nice book
Yeah.
on indexable tooling for the metal lathe. There's a lot of good photographs and drawings, and everything's very clear. It's going to help you decipher a lot of the nomenclature about indexable tooling, which is, trust me when I tell you, it is a vast wasteland out there. Trying to shop for, very nice pictures there, look at those. Trying to shop for insert carbide. A lot of times you buy maybe a used holder, you say, oh, well, I'll just get some inserts for it. Well, it's not that easy.
No.
Everything matters.
The type of material, the type of coating on the insert.
Everything matters. Just the slightest little angle will make your inserts not fit. So David helps clear all that up, and I think that's a wonderful way to spend your COVID lockdown time, David. I appreciate you sending this out, and he sent us, 2, 4, 6 books to give away. So these are going to go, we're going to split this evenly between the red raffle and the blue raffle. And special thanks to David and Best Industries for putting together.
Nice resource.
It is a good resource, and this is, I love reading tech manuals. Some people read fiction, some people read novels, some people read romances. I read tech manuals. So thanks, David. We'll put them to good use. And here's another one that Andrew's been waiting for. And this comes to us from Niagara, which rhymes with Viagra, and it has the same effect on men, either way, right?
Yeah.
All right, I know he's been waiting on this one, so we're gonna let Andrew open this one up too. There you go, buddy.
Yeah, there's some cutters in here. Something good in here.
Now this comes to us courtesy of Dennis Nolan. And these are the, I think he said these are the 5-packs that we always get. And unfortunately he said these are probably the last of them. Oh, it's a box within a box. Let me get this out of your way.
Both sides.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Those are the ones. Those are the 3/8 combo packs, all carbide. You can feel the weight of them. It's got the equalizer, and there's a few different profiles in there. But it's a nice sample pack. And unfortunately, Niagara's not going to have these anymore. And Dennis Nolan over there said, we got the last of them. Now this is all that's coming to us from Niagara this year, but we still have some stuff coming from Seco, which is, I think they're the parent company. It's Seco Niagara, not Niagara Seco.
Yeah.
So I've still got a shipment of Seco products coming in, which is usually the insert tooling.
Yeah.
But as far as solid carb and high-speed steel goes, that's Niagara.
That's a handy set to have around. There's a lot of variety there, depending on what you cut and how, where. This is a great.
It is.
To go with that little.
And if you've ever used, which one is it? The Stabilizer HT. If you look at the flutes and the way you look at the end and the way the flutes are arranged, they're not set 90 degrees apart. They're intentionally offset
A little bit.
to stop harmonics.
Yeah.
It breaks the harmonics. So if you're having a vibration problem or a chatter problem, go to the Stabilizer. They got that just for breaking the harmonics of at some cutting speeds. So Dennis, thank you, and Seco and Niagara Tool, thank you. These are great giveaways. We're gonna split these up evenly between green or red and blue. We don't have a green raffle. We have a red and blue raffle. I don't know why I said green. But those are getting split up equally. These will ship easy enough, and that's a great prize for someone. But all solid carb, and the insert tooling is going to follow. I think it's going to make it in at the 25th hour like it did last year. They just barely made it in like 2 days before the bash. That stuff was showing up. You know, supply trains are tough these days. So, alrighty, well that's all I got for this week, guys. Appreciate you watching. A lot of cool stuff to go over. Precision Matthews, Niagara, James Clow, NSK Bearing. Who am I forgetting? Mr. Best.
Yeah, Mr. Best, great book.
Good, yeah, nice book. Gosh, there's gonna be a bunch of stuff down in the description. Go check them out. Appreciate you guys watching. See you on the next one.